How to reset screen time passcode if you forgot it. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have ever forgotten your screen time passcode and need to reset it, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in just a few simple steps. First, head to your device settings and then scroll down and tap on screen time, and then scroll down. There you'll see change screen time passcode. So tap on it, and here it gets tricky. If you have forgotten your password, you'll need to enter it to proceed. But be careful. You don't have unlimited attempts. If you enter the wrong passcode, you'll get a fail attempt notification. And if you try in too many times, you could be locked out. So, what you can do is go to change screen time passcode option, and then there you can choose forgot passcode. Now, since your screen time recovery passcode is associated with your Apple account, you can enter your Apple account's email and password and use it to reset it. So, you must remember your Apple account password to to reset your screen time passcode. So, if you don't remember your Apple account passcode as well, you can go to forgot passcode word here again, and then you can start the whole process from the top. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.